Understanding having money to burn. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, having money to burn. This expression is not only vivid but also packed with cultural and linguistic nuances. Let's break it down together and discover its meaning, usage, and origins. Stay tuned. When we say someone has money to burn, we're talking about a person who has more money than they need and, as a result, can afford to spend it on unnecessary or luxurious items without worrying about running out. Imagine having so much money that you could literally burn it and still not worry about your finances. That's the picture this expression paints. It's a metaphor for extreme wealth and financial carelessness, or the ability to indulge in extravagant expenses. To understand how to use this phrase in real-life conversations or writing, let's look at a few examples. After winning the lottery, Jake acted as if he had money to burn, buying luxury cars and expensive gadgets without a second thought. Do you really need another pair of designer shoes? Or do you just have money to burn? They booked the entire hotel for the party, as if they had money to burn. Notice how the phrase can be used both to describe someone's actual financial behavior and to question or criticize their spending habits. The phrase, having money to burn, comes from the literal idea of burning money as an ultimate sign of wealth and disregard for its value. While the exact origin of this phrase is not clear, it's been in use for centuries, reflecting the timeless concept of wealth and extravagance. Over time, it has become a popular way to describe financial excess in a figurative, rather than literal, sense. We hope this exploration of the phrase, having money to burn, has been enlightening. It's a colorful expression that vividly captures the idea of having more money than one knows what to do with. Whether you're reading English literature, watching movies, or engaging in conversations, understanding these types of idiomatic expressions can greatly enrich your comprehension and expressive abilities. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning!